Hi friends, Traveling Geek here, and today I'm going to talk about the curved glass for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Now, this glass, the UV glue called the brand name is the 1 minute glass, and this is a liquid UV glue glass. So I got this from basically the wholesale market in Mumbai called the Sahara Market, which is just next to the CST station, or I can say more accurately next to the Manish Market, which is very near from the CST station. This costed me for 320 bucks. That's rupees 320, and I'm using this now for almost a month. I'm doing this review a bit late because initially the availability of this glass was very rare, and from the wholesale store, from the store which sells all these kind of glasses in wholesale quantity, they were having just 3 to 4 units of this kind of glass, and I thought, let's use this glass and find out how good is it, and then do the video on it. These kind of glasses, these kind of products are also available on the Amazon now, amazon.in, for the price range of something like from 400 bucks to like 500 bucks, and as high as like 1600 to 1700. But I can say that if you're really looking for UV glass which is having liquid glue for your Xiaomi 12 Pro, and if you are in Mumbai or if you're in Delhi or any of the metro cities, just visit the nearest wholesale market for the smartphone accessories and find products over there. They offer these kind of glasses at a very affordable rates, and some stores also give you these glasses applied. They also apply the glass on your phone. So I have already applied the glass. I'm not going to show you how to apply this. I'm just trying to show you what comes inside. The glass was there obviously, which is now applied on the phone. So once you open it, what you get to see here is basically the UV LED light and this glue. In this cylindrical bottle, the glue is there, which is now has been consumed. It's a 1 minute UV glue. You will find numerous videos how to apply the UV glass, but I will suggest that if you don't know how to do it, and if you're not expert applying such glass products to your curved screen phones, I will rather say give it to someone who really understands and who really has expertise for application of such glass, because this is a time consuming process, and if you're not knowing, you may waste your money. So better give it to someone who really knows it and has a good experience applying such UV liquid glue glass to the phones. So this is the LED light. This requires the USB Type-C port, the Type-C cable here, and don't try to plug high wattage chargers to this UV light, because this will simply won't work. This needs 5 watt or max to max 10 watt kind of input, power input, not beyond that. Anyways, I have already done this application, and I'm using this case now. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner works really well. This is how the glass gets applied, and let me remove this case so you can see it more accurately. As you can see that this is how the glass gets applied. It's a thick glass, and as you can see, the glass is not covering the entire display of the phone, but it is actually covering the screen. So as you can see that most of your usable screen has been covered. Has a good margin from on the bottom as well as on the top, so you can see that no problem using any kind of case on it. The touch experience is really good, and what I really like about this glass, that it doesn't attract any kind of greasy fingerprints. Even if you have sweaty hands, it doesn't attract much fingerprints to it, and looks always clean majority of the times. Cleaning is also very good, absolutely no problem to the touch. Touch experience is seriously good. Even the typing is not having any kind of kind of ghost touches or missed touches. very good experience with it. Now what I done wrong with it, I mean, I have given some sort of a warning to you guys that give it to someone who really knows how to apply it. So I applied it well, but one mistake I have done, that I started using this phone after like half an hour's time. I think after application of such glass which has a UV glue or a liquid glue, I think one needs to wait minimum 12 hours, and that mistake I've done. And so what happened, so you can see here that some sort of a rainbow effect you can see here beneath the glass, this tempered glass. And this is the problem. I mean, I started using this phone almost immediately after like 20 minutes. I mean, giving this UV light for almost 10 to 15 minutes, and then I started using the phone. This mistake I have done. So if you're applying this any kind of UV glass, I will say do not use the phone for at least 12 hours. Let the glue completely get dried up, and then this kind of problem won't appear. Otherwise, you can see it's good. I don't have any kind of problem anywhere except this top part, but it's okay. I'm enjoying the experience. Also, there is no hole over here. This camera part is completely covered by the glass, but the clarity is really good, so absolutely no problem. And as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works well. There is absolutely no problem. This is a optical fingerprint scanner. This is not an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and this works absolutely good. So let's add this to the case and let's find out whether the case is creating any kind of problem to this glass. No, as you can see, this has a good margin on all four sides. Absolutely no problem. So guys, this is about this video was about the review of the 1 minute UV glue glass for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. This brand is available for various phones, like as you can see that the phone they have shown is actually S22 Ultra, and this is a more expensive glass. I mean, I got this in Sahara Market, the wholesale market, for just 320 bucks. But there are chances that same box and same glass is available for at a much higher price to your nearest retail shop. And believe me, these are all made in China products. So as you can see, this is a Chinese product, and at the back you can see it also has the oleophobic coating, invisible layer. They call it anti-fingerprint. I don't know what they are saying here, what they're trying to say. They call it full cover, but this is not like 100% full cover, but this still covers very good. And yes, the the strength is really good of this glass. I mean, actually I had dropped this phone without the case once with the glass on, and fortunately nothing happened to the display as well as to the glass. So very good quality glass. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Traveling Geek. I'm signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.